What is up, my YouTube friends? I'm going to be using this Epiphone Ghosthorse and trying to get some good distortion sounds out of it. I think it'll work. I know I already did a video of this, but this sound quality is way better. So here we go. Bridge pickup. Middle position. Neck position. Back to the bridge, coil tap. Middle position. Neck position. Thank you guys for watching. I'm using a Joyo Metal Extreme pedal or Extreme Metal, going through a Marshall Origin 50 head. And yeah, thank you guys.